Hello everyone. We are going to start with the subject computer network, which is very important subject. And there are various topic in computer network, but in any competitive exam, IPv4 header is very important topic. Now we are going to discuss with IPv4 header, and we will take each and every topic in computer network one by one. So we are going to study about IPv4 header. So before IPv4 header, we know or in application layer the message is arriving, and then again after that application layer message will come to the transport layer, and the one header will added, and after that network layer, the transport layer, the packet will be forwarded to the network layer. In network layer, the header 2 will be added. So we are going to talk about network layer. In network layer, IPv4 header is there. So IPv4 header format I drawn in my paper. So IPv4 header, the first field in IPv4 header is version. Second is header length, services, total length, and next identification bit, flags, fragment offset, time to live, protocol, header checksum, source IP address, destination IP address, and option. The IP header format, the header length size is 20 byte, and the down part is option. This is optional, which size is 40 byte, 0 to 40 byte. The minimum size of option field is 0 byte, and maximum size of option field is 40 byte. Okay, then option is not in use. Option is for future purpose, if you want to create any kind of field. So what is the size of the version field? 4 bit, header length is 4 bit, and service is 8 bit, and total length is 16 bit. Total is 32 bit, which is equal to 4 byte. The total header size is the as we can calculate here, 20 byte. This is the 32 bit row, and then addition of this row is 32 bit, and this row is 32 bit, and this is 32 bit. So total is a 20 byte. Now what is the minimum header size? What is the minimum header size? 20 byte, and this is the optional. So minimum we will include in minimum optional is 0 byte. So minimum header size is 20 byte, as you can see here, and maximum header size is 20 byte plus 40 byte. The maximum value is option value is 40 byte, so it is 60 byte. So if anyone can ask to you what is the minimum header size in IPv4 header format, is 20 byte, and maximum header size is 60 byte. Now we are going down. What is header length? We will going to study about header length. So header length is 4 bit. 4 bit. What is the maximum header length is? Maximum number is 15. The header length maximum number is 15, and maximum header size is 60 byte. So maximum number 15 we can adjust in the header length. If we are given that the header size is 60 byte, so 60 byte we cannot write in 4 bit. So what shall I do? We should adjust in 44 bit only. So here the concept came, the scaling factor. What is a scaling factor? So we are having 60 byte header size. So what will be the scaling factor to the header size? So 60 upon 4 equal to 15. If we are dividing 60 by 4, then we will get the 15. And 15 we can represent in 4 bit. So if exceeded value, maximum value, if header length is given more than 15, then we will divide that header size by 4 and we'll get the header length. Okay, so now we are going further and we will see some example of header size and header length field. So if header size will be 20 byte, so we cannot write 20 byte in 4 bit. So what will we do? 20 divided by 4, then header length will be 5. So we can write 5 in 4 bit. So what will be the header length field? 0101. Next, if we are having 32 byte, again we cannot write 32 byte in 4 bit. So 32 divided by 4, what will we get? 32 divided by 4 is 8 bit. So 8 we can represent in 4 bit. Again 40 byte, so we cannot write 40 byte. So divided by 4 we'll get 10. 60 divided by 4 we'll get 15. Okay, if header size is given 30 byte, so now what will we do? As before, so divided by 4 we'll get 7.5. So we cannot write 7.5 in 4 bit because it is decimal value. Okay, so now, so what will we do for the decimal value? So given header size, we'll take some dummy byte which is divisible by 4. So minimum dummy byte we shall take 2 byte. Okay, if 30 byte plus 2 byte, 34 byte. So 32 byte. So 32 byte is divisible by 4. Now 8 byte. So we can represent 8 byte in 4 bit. Okay, but receiver will know. What will receiver will think? 32 byte is the actual length of the header size. No. So there will be some problem. There will be some misunderstanding with receiver. So when we will adding the dummy byte, then option field will be created. Option field will be created here. Option field is there, optional field. So this field will be created there. So padding byte is 2 byte. So then receiver will minus padding bit and get the actual length of header size. So there here problem is solved if decimal value is coming for the header length field. Now if we are having header length field and they are telling the calculate the header size. So header length field is 1000 given. So as we can see here 8. So what is the exact size? 8 multiplied by 4. 8 multiplied by 4, so 32 byte is a header size. Okay. So here are some example of header length field and header length size. You can see here. And if header size and header length is given in the questions, header size, the minimum value of the header size field is 20 byte and maximum is 60 byte, and header length field is 5 to 15. We can represent 5 to 15 only. So there will be no ambiguity in, because minimum header size is 20 byte and maximum header size is 60 byte. Okay.